Hello guys, welcome to Samsung. Today we are going to check about Samsung Bespoke refrigerators. Ready? So now let's get started. This is the two-door Samsung Bespoke refrigerator. It's 39% off by July 4th Friday deals. This is the Samsung Bespoke refrigerator by 3-door. This one was on sale for July 4th Friday deals. This is the Samsung Bespoke refrigerator by 4-door. This one was pretty good. This one was available at Best Buy. Get 4th of July special sale of Best Buy. Get 50% off. This is the final winner. And this winner of the fridge is Samsung Bespoke refrigerator by 4-door. Make sure you get 50% off because they're available at Best Buy and Costco Wholesale and Lowe's. Please get 4th of July special sale by Samsung.